Hi, good afternoon. I'm Edison Ching. I'm here again to unbox an item from Lazada. It's called the Hyaluronic acid for face. Okay, we'll unbox this one. Okay, so I'll read first kung para saan. Okay, the efficacy, it can effectively improve the dull and uneven skin color and make the skin regain pure flexibility and radiance. So, para gumanda yung face. Okay? Well, unbox this one. So, it can also close pores. Radiant for face. See that? It's sticky. Okay, we'll try this one on our face. I can put it in my face. Okay. Just small amount. Okay, that's it. If you want to buy it on Lazada, you can purchase it. Okay, thank you very much. And please click subscribe and then comment and like. Thank you very much. Ciao. See you again.